Hey, baby. It's a baby bird. It's a baby bird. Baby, 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 baby bird. It's a blue jay. Yeah, yeah, it's a blue jay. Blue jays are the coolest because my mama loves them. Just like me. So I love you. And you better love me. Because your mama was up there. And if you see me here, I will be happy. But you're just a baby. And you cannot fly. But your mama's up there. So baby bird, yeah, baby bird. Baby, 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 baby bird. Baby bird, yeah, yeah, baby bird. Baby, 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 baby bird. Chirp, chirp. Where's the mommy at? Oh God, I almost tripped. Where's Mama?
She's in that tree.
Can't see her. Do you guys see her? Oh.
Find her? Oh yeah, she's sitting right there.
Where'd she go?
Watching her baby. Oh, there she goes.
I'm coming.
You may not find her in that tree.
Mama bird. That's not no mama bird. Nope, that's not the mama bird. Oh, what are you talking about? Oh, that's not the mama bird. Take a look at the baby.
Let us go.
The baby bird. The baby bird. Yeah, yeah, it's the baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Where'd the baby bird go? There you are. Did you guys find the mommy? If you guys find the mommy, let me know. In a comment. So, yeah. There's the mama bird. You cannot see right now because nobody even knows where she is. Okay? You guys see her? Bet you guys don't because you're on full. You see her? Let's go see the baby bird's brother.
He's doing fine now. When I pulled up, some lady had his hands. I'm like, oh no. Yeah.
I gotta tell you that you have a baby blue jay that's all
Out
out
here. I was just
out of the nest.
Yeah, there's two of them.
One dead.
One got run over.
Oh, really?
We got one right
They
here.
out of the nest?
Yeah.
I was
One's
gonna tell you
down
that
here.
later. Look how cute.
I was just coming back to get you. I'm like, I know somebody
Aw.
back there loves birds. They're feeding them all the time. And then there's one out front.
Aww.
Yeah, because there was one dead.
Yeah, he's out
He
there.
fell out of the
He was
nest.
just, this little guy's moved because when I just came in, he was in the garbage bin.
Yep.
Yeah, and guess where the other brother is?
The mama
Poor
bird's
bird.
floating around. She's been around. She's been out here watching them for like.
Yeah, he's dead. He got ran over by a
One
car.
of the ones out here on the front
So,
lawn.
yeah. Let's go see the other brother.
Well, bleach.
Oh.
Don't get too close. I think that's the one that's got the injured wing.
Huh.
That's So I was like, somebody back there is feeding the birds, so I know somebody's a bird lover. We'll go figure out who it is and see what's coming out. But
That
that's
one's
the one-
bigger.
That's the one the lady told me. When I pulled up, there was a lady in a wheelchair, and she had them in her hand. She was like, here, take care of them. Like, you're not supposed to touch them. That's why the cat box is there. Cat food box. And I tried that. I put the box over here and kind of tipped it out a little bit, so it was with that one, but then that one.
There it is again. Sorry, I couldn't find them.
Oh, the garbage didn't come yet?
If you guys love birds, let me know. Because, you know, everybody loves birds. This is the blue jay, baby blue jay. As you can see, right there. It's right there. You can see his head. So, yeah. If you love birds, leave a comment down below. And, yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.